a small village at the foot of a great mountain, there lived a humble stone cutter named Han. He worked tirelessly, chiseling stones to make a living, but he often wished for a better life. One day, Han saw a wealthy merchant passing by, carried in a luxurious sedan chair. He wished aloud, if only I were a wealthy merchant, my life would be so much better. To his astonishment, the spirit heard his wish. To his surprise, Han's wish was granted. He found himself transformed into a wealthy merchant, enjoying the luxuries and respect he had long desired. However, Han soon noticed that even as a merchant, he was not the most powerful. He envied a high ranking official who commanded great respect. If only I were a powerful official, he wished. Once again, Han's wish was granted. He became a powerful official, enjoying authority and reverence from all. Yet, he soon realized that his power had limits. One scorching day, Han felt the intense heat of the sun and realized that the sun had more power than he did. If only I were the sun, he wished. His wish was granted, and Han became the sun, shining brightly and feeling powerful as he cast his light and heat upon the earth. But soon a dark cloud covered Han, the sun, and blocked his light. Realizing that the cloud had the power to overshadow him, Han wished to become a cloud. Transformed into a powerful cloud, Han took pride in his strength. However, he was soon blown away by a strong wind. Recognizing the wind's might, he wished to become the wind. Becoming the wind, Han felt unstoppable until he came across a mighty mountain that stood firm against his force. If I were the mountain, he wished. Han became the mountain, proud and unyielding, but soon he felt the chisel of a stone cutter at his base. Realizing the stone cutter's power to shape even the mighty mountain, Han wished to return to his original form. Han found himself back as a humble stonecutter, realizing that true happiness and power come from accepting and embracing one's own life. He continued his work, grateful for the valuable lesson he had learned. The story of the legend of the stonecutter teaches the values of contentment, humility, and the understanding that true strength lies in accepting and appreciating who we are.